ready to transform your car into a money-making machine in Qatar. Let's dive into everything you need to know to master the Uber driver app in Qatar, from the initial setup to getting paid, in just a minute and a half. First, assuming you've already downloaded the app, tap the icon to open it if you haven't downloaded the app. Make sure to download it from your App Store or Google Play Store. On the login screen, enter the email address or phone number you used during your Uber driver account registration, as well as your password. After entering the information, click the Sign In button. This is your home base. See the Go Online button. Sliding that to the right makes you available to accept ride requests before going online. Ensure your vehicle is clean and presentable, and you're ready to provide excellent service. When a ride request pops up, you'll see the passenger's pickup location on the map and an estimate of the fare. Carefully consider the distance and the estimated earnings before tapping accept. You will also see how far away the passenger is located. Once accepted, use the in-app navigation to reach the passenger's pickup point. The app utilizes GPS to provide turn-by-turn directions. Alternatively, you can switch to Google Maps or Waze for navigation, if you prefer. After picking up the passenger, confirm their destination. The app will then guide you along the optimal route. Always prioritize safety and adhere to traffic laws during the ride. Upon reaching the destination, safely drop off the passenger. Swipe to confirm the end of the trip. The fare is automatically calculated and charged to the passenger's account. Your earnings will be automatically calculated and reflected in your account. You can track your daily and weekly earnings through the app. Payment is usually deposited directly into your bank account on a weekly basis, but you need to set up the payment method. To manage your payment details or update your account information, tap the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner, and navigate to the account or wallet section. And that's it. You're now equipped to navigate the Uber driver app in Qatar. Remember to maintain a positive attitude, provide a safe and comfortable ride, and familiarize yourself with Qatar's traffic regulations. Good luck and drive safe.